Osage, one of Iowa's great small towns. If you've never been there, it is worth the visit. With beautiful parks and 3,500 friendly folks ready to greet and serve you. With a striving Main Street, the Osage retailers have what you are looking for, with all types of shops. Clean, beautiful streets makes Osage an even better place to live. The Osage School District is truly one of the state's and Midwest's finest that has developed several leaders throughout the Midwest. Pride in academics, outstanding accomplishment in athletics and other extracurricular activities. The Osage schools are dedicated to continued excellence in developing the leaders of tomorrow. Take some time, look around, view all the great photos of Osage. Go to the chamber, government, and school links to find out more about Osage. Check out the community-minded sponsors of this site, who are the backbone of keeping Osage and Mitchell County strong today and even stronger for the future. Osage, a great place to visit, an even better place to live.